Well, back at it again, maintenance, and we're going to replace, well, replace the rope in the handle, the pull start, that is, and yeah, we'll see. Uh, it breaks all the time. So this says unbreakable. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. 10 millimeter. Eight millimeter. Alright, so a 16-foot 6x6, 4 feet in the ground, which leaves 12 feet above ground. And this one's beefy, folks. We got her concreted in, and she is beefy. And you'll see later that it gets a service panel and all that good stuff on here. Oh, mercy, folks, just totally dehydrated. 95 degrees, terrible. Well, we got the permanent 200 amp RV pole concreted in, installed, looking good. John has got the electrical part started, and yeah, gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. It is so incredibly hot. Unbelievable. John finished up the electrical. Looking good. 50 amp, 20 amp GFI, 200 amp. Let's get over here. Maybe you can see it better. Oh yeah. So we have to get another connector for this ground wire. And this is all hooked up, ready to roll. 8 o'clock on this Wednesday morning, and I am set up and ready to roll. Got the green tea in the peanut butter jar, and kind of got everything kind of spread out. And what I'll do is just kind of line things up as they go and start putting them together. We're going to put a shut-off in, a PRV in, that's a pressure reducer valve, 1 inch. We're also going to put a spigot in, and the spigot, the shut-off, the pressure reducer valve will be in a box. And well, I'll kind of show it to you once it's all finished. Why we do it that way: we're also installing a yard hydrant and getting this lot set up for a camper. And that camper will go right in here somewhere. But electric, the whole works. So that'll be awesome. Anyway. See, it's threaded, so it's female or male. Female, male. Female, male. All right, see the arrow. See that arrow? That means water flows from the meter into the house. From the meter into the house. That's your arrow. All right, so we're gonna put this in a box. So we wanna make sure it'll fit in the box. All right, so we're having just a horrifying time with the camera because of the sun, because of the heat. It is blistering out. I think it's 9 o'clock right now and it's just so hot. All right, switching it up to 3/4, that was 1 inch. All right, let's take a look. All right, so we kind of switched things up, and I went on ahead and put the pressure reducer valve first, just in case the pressure is too high. Then the shutoff, then the spigot. Now, you can put this here or here. Beans, after thinking about it, and beans that the pressure is so high, the water pressure is so high in this area, I went on ahead and put it over here. And it is simply just to shut it off to the RV anyway, so not that big of a deal. But you can put the shut off here, which when you put it here, it's nice because if you have to replace the PRV, you just shut it off right there. But yeah, we got her angled. It's going to be perfect. This is it here. Oh boy. This way, they have a yard hydrant, but in the winter, they can use a heat tape. You can buy a hose that hooks up to a camper and to a spigot that has a heat tape and the insulation already on it. And that works perfect for here because you can put it down in there, boom, boom, close it, throw a rag over it, and you're good to go. All right, we got the concrete poured, 2 60-pound bags. That was plenty. Yeah, so it's got gravel underneath the concrete, and that is for the weep hole. But she's ready to roll. That's for sure. We got everything in there, PRV, spigot, shut off, and yeah, we got her covered up, but yeah, very clumpy. We pulled out so much rock. We need more dirt, and I'm gonna leave that up to the homeowner on what they want to do there. But yeah, all that rock. So, oh man, 95 degrees, and all of a sudden we get rain. I guarantee it's cooled it down at least 10 degrees. I am so thankful. Anyway, waiting on this rain to go away, and I'm going to get right back to work. All right, it's been 8 hours, and this thing has not fallen in pressure. Actually rose a little bit, but that is because it was able to slide up the dented or bent area. Somehow it slid up the bent area, but yeah, still got plenty of pressure on her, so she's doing good.